last two. There is Masterwork. Okay, let me get this going here and I'll tag everybody to it. This is the final quarter case of a full case. I'm expecting some art. I think everybody else is. There it is. Cool. Alright, so I know off the top of my head probably almost all of you. What else we got? Dave. Oop. Smarcombe. I don't think there's that many. There's Troy. Oh, Joe. And Bob's in it. What else? Bob. Chris Lee's in it. How's everybody doing? Troy. I'm just going through it. That's Troy, Steve, Chris Lee, I think. That's it. All right. Alright, there we go. Alright, so final one. I guess I'll kind of go through it. Spot 1, Darth Maul's spot is Troy Huber. Spot 2, Luke Skywalker's grouping is Dave Smallcombe. Darth Vader's grouping, number 3 is Dave Smallcombe. Number 4, Chris Lee. Yoda's grouping. Number 5, Troy Huber got the Emperor's grouping. Number 6, Bob Surtek got Princess Leia's grouping. Number 7, Boba Fett's grouping is Dave Smallcombe. Number 8, General Grievous's grouping is Joe Chung. Number 9, Han Solo's grouping is Dave Smallcombe. Number 10, Jabba the Hutt's grouping is Dave Smallcombe. Number 11, Ray's grouping is Steve Hanna. Number 12, Poe Dameron's grouping is Dave Smallcombe. Number 13, Kylo Ren's grouping is Troy Huber. Number 14, Obi-Wan Kenobi's grouping is Troy Huber. 15, Finn's grouping is Anson Kissinger. 16, Lando Calrissian's grouping is Troy Huber. 17, Darth Sidious's grouping is Anson Kissinger. 18, Chewbacca's grouping is Troy Huber. 19, C-3PO's grouping is Steve Hanna. 20, R2-D2's grouping is Troy Huber. 21, Mace Windu's grouping is Troy Huber. 22, Queen Amidala's grouping is Trevor Huber. 23, Anakin Skywalker's grouping is Troy Huber. 24, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine's grouping is Troy Huber. And the 25th, General Hux's grouping is Anson Kissinger. There you go. That's on video. If you want to look at it in the future, you know what you had. At least grouping-wise. Okay. Let's get the gloves on and we'll get this open. Oh, I just tore the thing right in half. That's cool. Alright, get another one. There it is. Okay, one on, and here goes the second one. Yeah, there's a couple. I'm not really... Yeah, that's fine. I didn't really even look at that, to be honest. I think there's like 2 or 3. Alright, here we go. First one. Alright. And since this is the last one, I guess start giving me some ideas of what else you want. I mean, I can get more of this. I can get some other Star Wars, you know, type of card. I like doing entertainment. Gives me something different to do besides sports all the time. UFC I can do Star Wars, Star Trek. He's got everything you can think of entertainment-wise, so even The Walking Dead. I did Game of Thrones in the one. I did like a personal break for Pedro Soto for that, and we got some nice autographs out of that. It's just kind of hard to break unless you do it in bulk. There's not that many hits. So give me some ideas on what you want me to do, and I'll do it. Star Trek. Yeah, I'll do whatever. I don't care. Alright, there's one. There's two. There's three. I'm expecting to see some art in this one. We haven't seen any yet, I don't think. And there's the fourth one. First box is open. Okay, here we go. We've got Shock T base. We've got Darth Maul. That one's numbered 252 out of 299. And that's spot one, so Troy Huber gets that one. Darth Maul looks like some kind of a refractor. There's a shininess to it. There you go, the dark side. Number to 25. This is 16 out of 25. Oh, wow. First one I've pulled yet. Sam Witwer as the voice of Maul. And that's like a canvas autograph. Sweet. So you get a numbered Darth Maul, and now you got his autograph. First time I've pulled that. Nice. Troy Huber starting off strong. Then we've got Bodhi Rook, Heroes of the Rebellion, and purple Darth Maul. Why not get them all in one pack? There you go. Holy smokes. I haven't pulled any of his really. Now we're getting them all. 3 out of 50 on that one. That's too funny. Back to back to back. All in the same pack. Crazy. Alright, big start for Troy Huber. Marvel I would do. Huh, that's an idea. He's got it. Alright, here we go. Something looks different in the middle there. General Veers. That's a base. We've got Kiadi Mundi. Base. Up, Film Cell Relic. And that one's going to Chewbacca. 101 Film Cell Relic. There you go. That's spot 18. I'm not sure who has 18 off the top of my head. But I know the spot number. I've done it enough times. There you go. There might be. I'll check and see which one he has. That would be kind of cool to do. I'll have to find one that's got a lot of hits in it. There's Han Solo. That's a base. And we've got Obi-Wan Kenobi. Blue. And then here comes the third one. We've got Owen Lars. It's a base. We've got Caretaker. And then we've got an autograph of Fred Tatasciore as Bolza Gruel, if I'm pronouncing his last name right. This case had a lot of animated autographs, or autographs of people with voices in the animated. Bolza Gruel. I'm just looking down the page on the first one now. I don't see it. Then we've got Mace Windu. Base. And we've got Poe Dameron. He doesn't come up much. At least I don't remember. I think I got his autograph once. Yeah, let me move this up a little bit. And this over, and we'll pull that up. There we go. Alright, we've got Pow. We've got... There's our art. We got some art coming. Kylo Ren. That's a refractor. 202 out of 299. We pulled that in the last quarter. Same card. Different serial number. So Kylo Ren gets one numbered. And here's our first art card. There you go. That's pretty sweet. It's going to Veronica Smith. Whoever has Veronica Smith as an artist in their grouping. And I get a quick look. I'm like blowing through it real quick here. See if I can see who it is. Veronica Smith. And I like separated them all over so there's no real order to them. Veronica Smith. Veronica Smith. Almost through it. Hold on. Veronica Smith. Veronica Smith, where are you? There she is. It's going to 18. Troy Huber. And that's Chewbacca. So Veronica Smith, that's going to Troy Huber. Artist. That's cool. There you go. That's our first one. I wouldn't be surprised if we get another one because we didn't pull one yet. We have Skywalker, Heroes of the Rebellion, and we've got a green Quinlan Voss. And that's numbered to 99. I'll tell you what it is in a sec. $85 out of 99 on that one. And that's box one. Cool. Come on, 40 box. Or come on, 40 autograph booklet. Come on, this is the box right here. I keep stretching this because I want to get that in the worst way, just to say that I got it. It'd be awesome. Alright. I'm not sure if we got the case hit or not yet either. I forget. It's usually a like one of those framed autographs, heavy framed autographs. This is we pulled in the last few. I don't know if we got that yet. I know in the past we got Boba Fett like that and something else. We'll see. Did I do all of them? No. It's fighting me tooth and nail. Stop. Get off. And here comes the fourth one. Okay, there they are. Last box of the case. What are we starting with here? Alright, we have... There's our other art. We've got Obi-Wan Kenobi. We've got Poe Dameron. Base cards. Here's our art. That's pretty cool looking. Nice art card. And that's going to Ben Abusada is the artist. I can't imagine that wouldn't be in the first couple pages. Ben. Where is he? I'm digging quickly. Hold on. I'd like to tell you who it is at least. There he is. It's number 6. That's going to Bob Surtek, I think. Yep, Bob Surtek gets that one. He's one of the artists in number 6. So there you go, Bob. Got yourself an artist autograph. And then we've got R2-D2. Here's the Rebellion. We've got a green Ahsoka Tano. 78 out of 99 on that one. I would love to have done this as a full case all at once. Can you imagine? That's how you get the hits. Alright, what do we got here? Kylo Ren. Another Darth Maul. Might as well get that while you're at it. And we got a dual, it looks like. Dual autograph coming. It's numbered to 50. And it is... Wow, look at that. Artie Shaw as Gwellis Bagnoro, and Aiden Cook as Strono Cookie Tugs. And that's a shiny one. And that's numbered 36 out of 50. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to random that or not. I'm guessing maybe. I think some of them I actually paired together, and then I switched some things around just to make some of the spots stronger than what they were. It might have caused a randoming situation, but we'll see. But that's there. That's pretty nice. Another duel. I'll keep that right there for now until we find out. Asajj Ventress, the dark side. And then we've got a purple K2SO. Yeah, I can't believe that Maul was something. 33 out of 50. That was a sweet auto, and it's a canvas. Numbered to 25. That's got to be worth a nice chunk. Alright, here we go. Third one. Last 2 packs. We have Queen Amidala. We've got Princess Leia. Base. Now we got a film relic. Han Solo, 101. Film cell relic. It's going to number 9. Now there it is. It's kind of in my line of sight. Dave Smallcomb gets that one. The Han Solo, 1 of 1. We got a Chewbacca and a Han Solo in this one so far. And then we go, hey, why not Darth Maul again? Darth Maul is in these 2 boxes big time. Chewbacca. And then we're down to our last pack. What do we have? Of course, in one of these little boxes. We've got Captain Cassian Andor. We've got the Grand Inquisitor. And we got numbered to 50. Numbered to 50. Jar Jar Binks. There you go. What is his name? Ahmed Best, is it? As Jar Jar Binks? Ahmed Best. 11 out of 50 on that one. Yeah, that's kind of a refractor kind of look to it. Number to 50, Jar Jar Binks autograph. There you go. First time I pulled him, too. He goes for huge bucks in the Star Wars community. I'm just kidding. There is Palpatine. He might, I don't know. There's Anakin Skywalker, blue. And that wraps up our case. I don't know how many that is. It's got to be 4 or 5 of 19. I know we did 3 18s, I'm pretty sure. So, alright, let's recap it. So, we've got a Jar Jar Binks refractor auto, number 50. Han Solo film cell relic. K2SO purple, number to 50. We got Ahsoka Tano, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, 78 out of 99. We got an artist, Ben Abusada. That's going to number 6. Bob Surtak. We got Quinlan Voss, number to 99. We got another one, Veronica Smith. And it went right out of my head who it's going to. It's number 18, I thought, Troy Huber, if I'm remembering right. We've got Kylo Ren, number to 299, refractor. Bowls of Gruel, that's Fred Tatasciore as Bowls of Gruel autograph. Chewbacca 101. We got Darth Maul purple, number 250. We got this ridiculous, this is probably the best one. Darth Maul canvas autograph, 16 out of 25. It's Sam Witwer, his autograph. That's a pretty sweet hit there. And then we got Darth Maul number to 299. And then we have a 2 dual autograph refractor numbered to 50. Artie Shaw as Guelis Bagnoro. And Aiden Cook as Strono Cookie Tugs. That's pretty cool looking. So I'll see if that needs to be randomized. If not, I'll comment on it and let everybody know whose it goes to or whatever. We shall see. And if we do randomize it, it goes top to bottom. 1, 2. And then I'll have Scott do it. And the winner gets it. I'll put a picture up and stuff in the thread like I did before. So cool. Yeah, give me ideas on entertainment. I'm totally open to it. My guy has a lot of that kind of stuff. I mean, a lot. So if you name it, I bet you he has it or can get it pretty quick. So just give me ideas, message me or whatever you want to do. And, I'll start looking for stuff. I don't know if you want to do another one of these or not. Maybe I'll wait a little bit because we have been doing these quite a bit. And maybe pick one up. I don't know when 2020 Masterwork comes out, but, I'll get it. I know WWE, what is it called? I forget the name of it. It's pretty big. It's coming out soon. So we'll be doing some of that too. But, yeah. So give me ideas. I appreciate it. Thank you again. I'll get this stuff shipped quick. I got a ton of it out today. I'm down to maybe like 10 more boxes I got to pack and get out of here, and then they're all good. And I'll add these to it and we'll get them out of here quick. So, awesome. Have an awesome night. Have a great rest of the week. And I will talk to you later. See you later.